Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I have such an exciting video because I ordered Coca-Cola makeup from the Face Shop. So many of you guys, especially on Instagram, were DMing me and you were sending me picture after picture after picture, and the packaging just looked so super cute. Literally on one of the lip items, they have a full-on snow globe. It's like that themed out, and I really love that. So we're gonna start with the face and then play around with a bunch of the Coca-Cola lip products. I kind of look like Bert and Ernie, or like just like I'm all brows.
Rolling.
Can you just like lighten it though?
It is light. Oh my god.
I'm being super bossy. Behind the camera is Taylor, who is going to be filming with me very soon. I'm super excited.
I mean, maybe.
No, you're excited. Tell them how excited you are.
Oh, I'm absolutely pumped.
Thrilled. It's gonna be like a moment of absolute horror. Okay, I don't even know if these colors are gonna match me, to be honest. I have two of them because that usually makes me feel a little more safe when ordering online, you know? So I have this shade, Natural Beige. I also have Apricot Beige. Let's just kind of see what happens. Oh my gosh, everything is like so pleasant and so Coca-Cola and cute. I don't really drink Coke anymore, like maybe sometimes, but I just, you guys, me and sugar, nope, I'm like a gremlin. Like, you know those cute little creatures, and then you feed them after midnight and they're like, you know, like that's me. It's bad, but I love sugar so much. Is this one darker maybe? Because this seems a little light, you know? No, this is too light for me. I feel so all over the place today, you guys. Like, I was working out at the gym this morning, and then I had one of those mornings where I just like could not sit down and figure things out until like hours and hours later. Oh, I said I was gonna call my sister and say hi to the baby. Maybe we should do that right now because blending in foundation is boring. So let's call Sabrina and Logan. We're definitely going in with Natural Beige. I've already primed. Ooh. That is coverage.
Hey.
Hey, do you have the baby?
No, he's still asleep.
Oh.
He's been asleep for 2 hours and 25 minutes.
Oh, are you enjoying your best life right now?
I'm doing the dishes because he likes to play with the dishwasher. So I'm like, opportunity.
Nice. I'm full on filming.
You're filming right now? Nice.
I look 10 shades of crazy right now, okay? What is this?
What is that?
I don't even know. It's Coca-Cola makeup. Look.
Oh my god.
Isn't that kind of cute?
Have you tried
my God.
the Crayola?
Would this, yeah. You haven't seen that? It's up on my channel, promotion.
Oh, I didn't
I'll link
see
it
that.
below. What, my sisters are not even watching my videos?
Shut up. No,
Shady.
I do watch your videos.
Okay, I'm gonna get back to blending this in. I wanna see the cute baby, so call me when he's awake.
Okay, I will.
All right, love you, bye.
I love you.
We're gonna need a lot of bronzer today. That's all I have to say because this is way lighter than I thought it would be. Holy smokes. I feel like I'm putting like a clay mask on. Like this is not even a cute look at all. It's covering though. Like, I mean, do we see like everything just went like whoosh, disappear? I like that. Oh, I do not match my neck at all. I'm sad. But committed. We're doing this, okay? All right, so this is not terrible, but it's not great. I mean, I'm sure you can see even in the camera, it is exaggerating some of my pores right here, which is really strange. Like that usually does not happen, especially with cushion foundations, because you guys know I absolutely die hard love the Wet n Wild one, and of course I need my hands to get a hold of the Laneige BB cream. Not BB cream, cushion foundation. I'm gonna do my concealer and powder and all of that jazz, and then we'll get back to trying out these like super, absolutely so just like, I mean, oh my gosh, this stuff is just so cute. Ooh, that's actually super pretty too. Wow, I was not expecting them to have like more neutral tones. Yes, I love that. Okay, so we're gonna play with the lippies. I'm gonna finish up my face, do what I can to pile on a little bit of bronze, and I will be right back. I was able to tone down the foundation just a little bit. I used my cream bronzer from Chanel. My highlight is from the drugstore and it is so good. This is the new one from L'Oreal. I am loving it. I will link that video below. All right, so I have lip tints in Tasty Pink, in Harmony Pink and in Coke Red. You know, I actually want to give some of these away to you guys. I'm going to save Tasty Pink and I'm going to put it in a giveaway because this is just the cutest stuff ever. And I think one of you guys needs to have one of these and definitely one of these with the snow globe on it. So I'm going to like set them to the side. I'm gonna have like a bunch of sporadic, just like fun giveaways, easy to enter giveaways where you just leave a comment and be subscribed to my channel, and that is it. So if you want to enter that, that's all you have to do. But let's try on some of these lip tints. I'm really curious, of course, about Coke Red. I think Coke Red is like the perfect red, right? Oh, weird. It's like watery, but it's like a hardcore like liquid lip. That's actually really pretty. This is, of course, a beautiful color. It is that true Coke Red. This is more of that watery stain type of a thing where I don't think this is meant to dry down. It is a moisturizing lip tint. This has different fruit extracts in it. It's very watery in consistency. Yeah, I don't know that I'm like loving this. It's not my kind of a thing, but I do have to say that it went on pretty evenly. The tone of it is absolutely Coke Red. It feels really nice, but for some reason I'm almost having like a hard time talking because like I fear that it's just gonna get all over my teeth and it's like kind of restricting me a little bit. So we're gonna move away from the lip tints and I wanna try out just the straight up lipstick. Now you guys saw me get like all very excited about this one right here. It's just called shade number 1, but look at how beautiful that is. It's like the perfect brighter nudie pink. So let's just go ahead and remove what I have on my mouth right now and get to that pink shade. Wow, that does really like stain your lips though. Wow, that's so pretty. I really love this. You know what's crazy though? None of these are scented. I really felt like because they were Coke products that they would be scented, but every little detail of this package is so thoughtful. Like there's not an element of it that is not pleasing to the eye. So I have to say, as far as packaging goes, total A+, love it. All right, I also have different lipstick shades in Orange Ice or Ice Orange, Fizz Pink, Coke Red, and Vintage Red. I'm really interested in trying on Coke Red. I think this will be the item that I want to wear today because, I mean, come on. This is so cool. Coke Red is just like, oh, perfect. And then I want to look at this Ice Orange. Ooh, actually, ooh. I never like orange, but this is actually like super beautiful. I kind of want to put this on right now. Wow. Okay, that's no lip liner, not bad. I really like this. I'm so shocked because normally orange is something that I'm just like, stay far away from me. I don't want you, get out of here. But this is like an orangey red that just looks like, ooh, summertime. Like it looks really fun. Also, PS, I am filming another video right after this trying out like crazy eyeliner. So that's why my eyes are blank. But I am planning on wearing this all day long. So I will do like a final check-in for you guys and you'll see like the full meal deal, the full completed look. So, you know, hang tight for that. Let's see here. I do want to give one of these away as well. So I'm going to give away Fizz Pink. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and give away Vintage Red as well. And then I'm gonna also try on Coke Red. Like we need to see that. I think we need to see that. Do you guys use a lot of the Face Shop stuff? Do you know a lot about the Face Shop? Because I'm new to them. I don't really know much about their makeup, but I want to. So if you guys have recommendations of other things that I should try outside of, you know, this kind of just cutesy collection, please let me know. And Coke Red it is. I love this. I think this is just such a beautiful red. It feels really nice on the lips. It's creamy, but it's also just matte and comfortable. And I think this is such a killer lipstick. I'm so excited about this. I am gonna be keeping this on display. Like, I just love it. Look at how even and smooth and beautiful that red is. This is the hit product right here. Let's try out one of these little snow globe items. I just think this is like the craziest thing. Like, why does it have a little snow globe on the top? It's just a lip tint. It's just like the other one. That's weird. I'm gonna pop this on top just to see how it feels. Well, that's a new way to smooth everything out. Just put a lip tint on top of your lipstick that actually feels so nice. So this is Coke Red as well, so it is the same color. This is just a true blue lip tint. The other one is more moisturizing, a little bit more slippery, a little more sheer. And I am going to go about my day wearing my, wow, we got a little outside of the lip line, huh? And we're gonna figure out how this foundation wears, and I'll see you guys several hours from now with the full complete update. Puka, come here. Come right here. Come here. Come here. Come here. This is the final check-in, you guys. I need to take my makeup off and go to bed so badly. Everything kind of broke apart and like the lipstick kind of sadly got everywhere, you guys. I think this is my fault because I was pretty like aggressive with dinner. I do have to say, like, I have leftover stain on my hand. And this has like, I've washed my hands so many times. So like the stain property of like the whole Coca-Cola lips is like super great. The red lipstick does move around quite a bit, but I actually still do enjoy it. I love it. I love that color. It is the spot on Coke Red, and I definitely will keep it because it's super cute. And I did really like the formula. And I think the biggest thing about this review is that I really want to explore the Face Shop a lot more. So as far as, come here. Come here, like me. As far as the foundation goes, you guys, can we even do like a, it's like almost midnight. Oh my gosh, it is like splotched off. So it is not long wearing at all. I don't think I'll reach for it again. I just didn't really love it. I think the compact is super cute. If you have super oily skin and you want mattifying, maybe go for it, but I found it to be kind of dry and it broke apart pretty quickly. Yeah, I need more like oomph from my foundation. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please remember that there is a giveaway going on in this video as well. So join the fun and subscribe, leave a comment below. That's all you have to do to be entered. Just go for it, hit that subscribe button. So super cool. Then you get my videos Monday through Friday. I upload at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Make sure you're ringing that notification bell and dropping it down to all so that you are notified. All right, I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.